Innovation isn't a breakthrough here, it's second nature. Because at SRIT, we don't just build projects, we build the people who imagine them.
Today, part 124. Not quite my design. Let's do it again. Today, part 124. Object design change. Now, that's a good design. Today, part 125.
At SRIT, time is not a constraint to innovation. With unlimited resources, your ideas are free to grow.
SRIT is a space to make your innovative ideas come true anytime, anywhere, with advanced machineries that pushes you to meet excellence.
In SRIT, reality is just a starting point. Here, we don't just imagine the future.
Lithium-ion 48-volt system.
Range.
80 kilometers. Easy.
Wait, heat dissipation at that capacity?
Thermal runaway.
Active cooling system. Aluminum heat sinks with forced air convection.
We can integrate a cooling system into the frame, right?
Weight distribution actually improves?
But control programming for regenerative braking?
Oh no.
Your PWM frequency needs to match motor's response time for regenerative braking. You need 15 to 20 kHz to efficiently convert kinetic energy back into electrical energy.
At SRIT, questions don't stop you.
Excellence isn't just in labs. It's in every expression of passion.
SRIT doesn't just find you companies. It grooms you until companies come looking for you. It's an opportunity playground if you're ready to learn.
At SRIT, I learned that success isn't about landing a job. It's about finding your purpose. SRIT tailored me for leadership. SST education started here as an idea. SRIT gave me confidence to build it and leadership to grow it.
The real question isn't about what SRIT offers. It's whether you are ready to step in and take them.
4 years, infinite possibilities. Your story starts here.
Your time at SRIT will be both challenging and also rewarding. You will explore, learn and grow, not only as engineers, but as responsible individuals ready to contribute to the society.
I welcome you to SRIT, a prestigious institution in Coimbatore, for a bright and prosperous future.